Hi guys, this is going to be a unboxing video of Tilde Pro premium headphone. So this is the box that I got and I'm going to unbox it now. So as you can open, you can see some pictures and some manual guides here. This is the headpiece where you can talk. So I'm gonna show you that later. And this is the packaging. I'm going to unzip it. And this is the product. This one feels very premium, as you can see, these are metal, and this is very good fabric, and it's I guess it's a resin, but I feel it's kind of a premium leather type thing, very soft, very light, and it also comes with a USB cable like this one. Let's keep everything aside. Now we are gonna talk about the buttons. So as you can see on the left side, you will get the volume up and down button, as well as play and pause buttons. And on the right hand side, you can see the USB-C port and on off button. And I'm not sure what this button is for, probably noise cancelling. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, now I'm going to connect this mouthpiece here. This is how you can do that. It's very easy. All you need to do is push. All you need to do is just to push this side, and the side will come out. Sorry, I don't know which side is. Yeah, and the side will come out like this. And once it's done, you can connect this one just like this way. So yeah, so you can go, and it's all magnetic, so it can go up, it can go down. Very nice. So that's all for you guys. Hope you like it. If you like, just hit a like button. Thank you. See you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.